Hello everyone, this is Rajnikant Bharti with the topic of self-respect. Yes friends, by this audio today I am saying what is self-respect and why it is important in our life. Basically self-respect is a form of self-love. Self-respect is a form of self-love wherein a person values his or her own unique and unrepeatable approach to living life. It is having a understanding and appreciation of underlying characters traits of one true self, and most important making life choice and decision from that authentic aspect of person's personality. Having boundaries from every area of your life is a best description of self love, self respect. Given this belief, you set boundaries with others, essentially drawing a line with regards to how you will and will not be treated. A person with self respect treats others how they want to be treated, and when they are treated poorly by others person, they talk with them about it, or they consider distancing themselves from that individual or ending the relationship. A person without self respect not only tolerate this kind of treatment but is quick to excuse it or the believe they deserve it. This plays out in many ways. A person may be lied to, talked down to, ignored, left out, disrespect, and so on. It can happen to any of us, but the difference is that a self respecting person would not accept this, nor would they let it go without some discussion of how they left. You may given the persons a chance to explain, apologize, or change their behavior, but you would be unlikely to let it happen again and again. A person who struggle with self-respect is likely to have trouble in their relationship and asserting themselves being pushed around or taken advantage and is quick unhappy. At a extreme, people like this often enter into abusive relationship, sometime over and over again. They are often not expected by others because they don't expect or demand it, and it becomes clear they don't respect themselves. The idea of respecting yourself relates to the saying, how can you love some how can love someone even if you don't love yourself? This is certainly true, but we can apply this to friendships and family relationships as well. When you are respected yourself, you know who you are and you put yourself and even lived with others. So you are not going to tolerate mistreatment and should not be mistreating others. As a result, you have opportunities for better relationships, better self esteem, and more happiness.